What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, we got a little cool one for you guys today. Question: how many of you guys have ever opened your downloads folder or your main directory folder to see a bunch of files just scattered all over the place? Your MP3 files for your music, your text files for your notes, or if you're a developer, any Java, Python, HTML files just laying around. So in today's video, I have a solution. We are going to make a file organizer. So the way this is going to work is it's going to be written in Python. And what we're going to do is we're going to already have folders created. If you're on a Mac, you already know in your home directory, they have your pictures folder, your movies folder, music folder, so on. If you're on Windows, create folders. And now what we're going to do is write a Python program that, based on the extension of the file, .txt, .mp3, .mov, based on that extension, we can move those files by just running a Python program. And we're even probably going to create a shortcut in our bash RC file that we created last video. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into it. And there you have it, guys. It's as easy as that. Basically what we did was we got a list of all the files and folders in our directory that we're trying to organize. And then we got the list of files. We go through all those files one by one in a for loop. And based on our if conditions, our if statements, whether it's a .txt file or so on, it'll move it into its new place, its new folder. So as you saw there, the .txt went into our documents folder. So hope you guys enjoyed that one. That was a little bit of a quick one. I try to keep these videos kind of short. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.